Do we really have an issue diversifying talent? I'm Jordi Robert Reeves, founder of Connecting Perspectives. We enable effective collaboration within companies. So do we really have a problem diversifying talent? I was honored to be invited by the Human Resources Summit in Dubai to give a keynote. As you can imagine, if you know me, I didn't give a keynote. I gave an experience talk, a real experience. And what did I realize? Back in Europe, we try to diversify talent. Here, they have diversified talent. Do they really leverage this diversification? They try to attract talent, but to retain talent. And sometimes it's different, it's hard. You cannot just parachute an European CEO into the company here and expect the talent to be retained as usual. I have no question for you today. It was just a comment. I gave the experience talk yesterday, and it was very enlightening to me to see how the diversified country can also have issues retaining the talent. I wish in your companies lots of diversified talent. Keep connecting your perspectives.